Hi, I'm Bob Davis. Now that we've got this dialed in, we're going to talk about exposure again. We've determined that we want a fast shutter speed. And here's another rule of thumb. The smaller the bird, the faster the shutter speed. The larger the bird, the slower the shutter speed you could get away with. If something is flying straight at you, let's say an eagle or an egret, you can use a slower shutter speed. If they're going across the sky in front of you, you're going to need a faster shutter speed. If I'm trying to photograph an osprey getting a fish out of this river, well, you betcha, we're going to crank that shutter speed up because we want to stop and freeze the motion. We'll put on the maximum frame rate for the motor drive, and I'll go up from 1600 to 2500 or 3200th of a second. Remember, these cameras have such high resolution that the most minute movement that we introduce or the subject has, we're gonna see it, especially if you're using even a higher megapixel camera such as the EOS R5. So you really want to be steady, and shutter speed is the key. A good tripod like this Pro Media Gear tripod, a gimbal, excellent tools for being steady. Even though we have image stabilization on the lens and in the body, all these things work together to get a very successful photograph and a totally sharp image.